In the heart of a moonlit rainforest, a spine-chilling spectacle unfolds. Behold the skull-wearing bats, enigmatic creatures whose terrifying appearance beckons the curious and imaginative alike. These bats' white facial markings resemble fearsome skulls, an evolution possibly driven by the need to deter predators. As dusk gives way to night, they emerge from their roosts, weaving an intricate shadow dance in the canopy above. Their wings whisper through the darkness, creating a haunting chorus that reverberates through the jungle. These bats, enigmatic yet essential to the ecosystem, remind us that sometimes nature's night terrors conceal a beauty only found in the shadows.